Hey, Sue. What are you doing this weekend?
Hi, Sandy. I'm going hiking with some friends. Do you want to join?
No, that's okay. I've never gone hiking before.
Really? It's a lot of fun and great exercise.
It sounds fun and good for you.
It is. You should come.
I don't even have the correct shoes.
I have an extra pair. What size do you wear?
I wear a size 7.
What a coincidence. Me too.
What else do I need?
Comfortable clothes, a jacket, a water bottle, snacks, a flashlight, and a map.
Wow, that's a lot of stuff to bring.
Do you have a small backpack to put these items in?
Yeah.
Well then, you're ready to go.
How long are you going to be hiking?
We usually hike about 10 miles, but this weekend we're going to hike a much shorter distance.
Why?
My friend is bringing her sister. She has never gone hiking before either. So it'll be a fun experience for the both of you.